everyone! I'm Miss Erica Joy Sibal and we are the Group 6. I just want to introduce to you my group members. Miss Lalin Motor, Miss Haina Riana Agustin, Miss Alberto Sangkapan, and Mr. Nicolas Sacramento. The purpose of this video is to give you some knowledge and information about the importance of nutritional health and the 5 essential nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and water. But before that, let us know what is nutritional health. Nutritional health is maintained in which nutrients intake and requirements are balanced. It is important because people with healthy eating patterns live longer and are at lower risk for serious health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Today, we are going to explain the 5 types of nutritional health. Let's start with protein. The health effects of fat and carbs are controversial. However, almost everyone agrees that protein is important. Most people eat enough protein to prevent deficiency, but some individuals would do better with a much higher protein intake. Here are 10 science-based reasons to eat more protein. First, protein reduces appetite and hunger levels. High-protein diet reduces hunger, helping to eat fewer calories. This is caused by the improved functions of weight-regulating hormones. Second, protein increases muscle mass and strength. Muscles is made primarily of protein intake can help you gain muscle mass and strength while reducing muscle loss during weight loss. Third, protein is good for your bones. People who eat more protein have better bone health and a much lower risk for osteoporosis and fractures as they get older. Number 4, reduces cravings and desire for late-night snacking. Eating more protein may reduce cravings and desire for late-night snacking. Merely having a high-protein breakfast may have a powerful effect. 5, protein boosts metabolism and increases fat burning. High protein intake may boost your metabolism significantly, helping you burn more calories throughout the day. Number 6, protein lowers your blood pressure. Several studies note that higher protein intake can lower blood pressure. Some studies also demonstrate improvements in other risk factors for heart disease. Number 7, protein helps maintain weight loss. Upping your protein intake can not only help you lose weight, but keep it off in the long term. Number 8, protein does not harm healthy kidneys. While protein can cause harm to people with kidney problems, it doesn't affect those with healthy kidneys. Number 9, protein helps your body repair itself after injury. Eating more protein can help you recover faster if you've been injured. Lastly, number 10, protein helps you stay fit as you age. Eating plenty of protein can help reduce the muscle loss associated with aging. And that's all the 10 science-based to eat more protein. But take note, even though a higher protein intake can have health benefits for many people, it is not necessary for everyone. Most people already eat around 15% of their calories from protein, which is more than enough to prevent deficiency. However, in certain cases, people can benefit from eating much more than that, up to 25 to 30% of calories. If you need to lose weight, improve your metabolic health, or gain muscle mass and strength, and make sure you're eating enough protein.
Let's talk about carbohydrates. Do you know what is carbohydrates are? And which food contain them? Let's find out. What are they? Carbohydrates, also called glucides, are nutrients that are the main sources of energy for our body. Foods that contain these nutrients should be part of our everyday diet. There are types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be divided into 3 different groups depending on their chemical structure. Glucose or fructose is the simplest form of carbohydrates. Fruits like apples, bananas, or pears contain this type of carbohydrates. Another type of carbohydrate is sucrose, often called table sugar. And lactose, sweetened dairy products are some example of foods that contain them. Carbohydrates provide us with enough energy to carry out tasks like studying, doing sports, or playing. It's very important to include a healthy amount of carbohydrates in our diet to avoid feeling tired or getting sick. The most complex type of carbohydrate is formed by many carbohydrates. One example would be starch, found in potato or what do carbohydrates provide us with? Healthier carbohydrates are mainly found in plant-based foods like cereal, leafy greens, vegetables, fruit, and legumes. These foods are also rich in other nutrients. For a more balanced diet, include them in your everyday meals. There are a huge variety of foods that contain carbohydrates. If you are intolerant or allergic to any of them, you would always have plenty of other healthy choices. Carbohydrate-rich dish. You can have cereal and fruit or toast for breakfast or a snack with the rest of your meals. You can combine them to create different dishes like spaghetti, lasagna, or even lentils with rice. Now, you know what carbohydrates are. Ready to include them in your diet.
Fat is a type of nutrient, and just like protein and carbohydrates, your body needs some fat for energy, to absorb vitamins, and to protect your heart and brain health. For years, we've been told that eating fat will add inches to your waistline, raise your cholesterol, and cause a countless of health problems. But now, we know that not all fat is the same. Now, let's talk about the good fats and bad fats. Since fat is an important part of a healthy diet, rather than adopting a low fat diet, it is more important to focus on eating more beneficial good fats and limiting harmful bad fats. Healthy or good fats. Monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats are known as the good fats because they are good for your heart, your cholesterol, and your overall health. These fats can help to, first, lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Second, lower bad LDL cholesterol levels while increasing good HDL. Third, lower blood pressure. Adding more of these healthy fats to your diet may also help to make you feel more satisfied after a meal, reducing hunger and thus promoting weight loss. Monounsaturated fat or good sources include olive, peanut, and sesame oils, avocados, and peanuts like macadamia, hazelnuts, pecans, cashews. And lastly is the peanut butter. Polyunsaturated fat good sources include sunflower, sesame, and pumpkin seeds. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines. We also have the soy milk and tofu. Unhealthy or bad fats. Trans fat, small amounts of naturally occurring trans fats can be found in meat and dairy products, but it's artificial trans fats that are considered dangerous. This is the worst type of fat since it not only raises bad LDL cholesterol but also lowers good HDL levels. Trans fat, and this is the primary sources. It includes commercially baked pastries, cookies, donuts, muffins, cakes, and pizza dough. We also have the packaged snack foods like crackers, microwave popcorns, and chips. Also, the stick margarine or vegetable shortening. And lastly, we also have the fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, chicken nuggets, and breaded fish. Let us all remember that we should always eat healthy foods to avoid ourselves in different kinds of diseases so we can attain our own body healthy and strong.
What are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds that people need in small quantities. Different vitamins play different roles in the body, and a person requires a different amount of each vitamin to stay healthy. Did you know that there are 13 currently recognized vitamins? Yes, so these 13 vitamins are grouped into two categories, fat-soluble and water-soluble. This means vitamins are either dissolvable in fat or water. Fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble. The body stores fat-soluble vitamins in fatty tissue and the liver, and reserve of these vitamins can stay in the body for days or even sometimes months. On the other hand, water-soluble vitamins do not stay in the body for long and cannot be stored. They leave our body through urine. Because of this, people need a more regular supply of water-soluble vitamin than fat-soluble ones. Example of these are vitamin C, and all the B vitamins are water-soluble. Now let's learn about each of these 13 vitamins, alright? Let's start with vitamin A, or chemical name retinol. It is essential for the eye health. Vitamin B1, chemical name thiamine. It is essential for producing various enzymes that help break down blood sugars. Vitamin B12, chemical name riboflavin. It is essential for the growth and development of body cells and helps metabolize foods. Vitamin B3 or niacin or niacinamide. The body needs a niacin for the cells to grow and work correctly. Vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid. It is necessary for producing energy and hormones. Vitamin B6, chemical name pyridoxine or pyridoxine. It is vital for the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin B7, chemical name biotin. It enables the body to metabolize proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. It also contributes to keratin, a structural protein in skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin B9 or folic acid. It is essential for making DNA and RNA. Vitamin B12 or cobalamin is essential for a healthy nervous system. Vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid. It contributes to collagen production, wound healing, and bone formation. It also strengthens blood vessels, supports the immune system, helps the body absorb iron, and acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin D is necessary for the healthy mineralization of bone. Vitamin E, or tocopherol or tocotrienol, its antioxidant activity helps prevent oxidative stress, an issue that increases the risk of widespread inflammation and various diseases. Vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting. So that's it. There you have it.
So hello everyone, today I'll be discussing the importance of minerals and water. Minerals are those elements in foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. This includes calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and many more. And as we continue, I'll be sharing you some facts about vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables are packed with different vitamins in them. Example is orange, where we can find vitamin C. Minerals, however, are found in water and other types of foods like nuts and meats that contains iron. Remember, everyone, in order to get the vitamins we need for our body, we need to consume 5 or more fruits and vegetables a day. Minerals are necessary for 3 main reasons. First is minerals helps you build strong bones and teeth. It helps you control the body fluids inside and outside your cell, and it helps you turn the food you eat into energy. If we fail to maintain our nutrients we need, mineral deficiency can cause a lot of symptoms like loss of appetite, diarrhea, nausea, and many more symptoms. So remember, eating food with a lot of nutrients. And the next one is water. Water is very important in our life. Plants and animals, and humans and even insects needs water to survive. Did you know that our body consists of large amount of water? That is why it is vital for us to consume water every day. So it is needed that we consume 2 liters of water to stay hydrated each day. Did you also know, kids, that a person can stay alive without any food and by just drinking water for 3 days or more? This is a fact that we can agree that water is a very important thing for us. So don't forget to drink water. And that will be our presentation. It is all about Maintaining proper diet is very important for our body to stay healthy. Monitoring our food intakes is an advantage to free us from any diseases that can harm us.